Another way to calculate dose is through the body surface area or BSA. Ginagamit to para sa mga patients na mas kailangan ng precise dosing, katulad ng mga cancer patients or bata. So, madalas tong ginagamit dahil proportional ito sa metabolic rate at kidney function. Hello everyone, I am Hannah Grace, a second year pharmacy student, and here's what I've learned during my first year. So, bago natin magamit yung actual formula for the BSA method, kailangan muna natin malaman kung ano ba yung BSA ng patient. Para makuha yon, pwede tayong gumamit ng nomogram. Wow! O kaya naman, gamitin natin ang Mosteller's formula, which is this. Meron pa yung isa, ito. So, it depends to the case kung ano yung gagamitin. Kapag nakuha na natin ng BSA ng patient, pwede na natin gamitin itong formula na to, which is the BSA method formula. Now, try natin gamitin. Sa problem na to, meron tayo 110 centimeters, 22 kilograms, at ang dose na to 75 milligrams. So ngayon, hinahanap ang adjusted dose based on BSA. So dahil ang formula for the BSA method includes the BSA, kailangan muna natin i-calculate yung BSA ng patient. So using the Mosteller's formula, ang gagamitin natin dito ay yung may over na 3,600 since ang given naman ay centimeters at kilograms. So, BSA m squared is equal to the square root of 110 centimeters times 22 kilograms over 3,600. Kapag in-square root na natin yung sagot nito, ang magiging sagot ay 0.8198915917 m squared. Tandaan nyo, huwag kayong magra-round up or round off hanggat hindi pa final yung sagot. Kasi kung hindi pa kayo tapos talaga mag-solve, tapos bigla kayong nag-round up or round off sa kalagitnaan ng solution nyo, magbabago yung final answer. May adjustment na mangyayari. So, gamitin natin yung sagot na BSA. So, apply natin sa formula, yung sagot na BSA over 1.73 m squared. Ito yung standard na adult BSA ha. Times 275 milligrams. Then, cancel similar units and the answer will be 130.33 milligrams. Medyo tricky, medyo maraming gagawin, pero kapag naman na-gets mo, solve na solve ka na para sa mga upcoming quizzes and exams mo. This is the second to the last part ng dosage calculations. And kung gusto mo pang matuto, don't forget to follow me and see you on the next video. Bye!